The AI video revolution. Welcome to the future of video creation. In a world where content is king, and speed is paramount, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we bring our ideas to life. Gone are the days of complex editing suites and expensive production teams. Today, AI video generators are putting Hollywood-level capabilities right at your fingertips. But with so many tools emerging, how do you find the one that truly stands out? The one that delivers on its promises of quality, speed, and innovation? Today, we're diving deep into a platform that's making waves, a platform that many are calling the best AI video generator in 2025. We're talking about Kling AI and its groundbreaking new version, 2.1. The problem with current AI video and the promise of Kling AI 2.1, many of us have experimented with AI video tools. And while impressive, they often come with limitations. Robotic voices, uncanny valley visuals, lengthy generation times, and a lack of granular control. These hurdles can hinder creativity and limit professional output. But what if there was a tool that addressed these pain points head-on? A tool that promised not just to generate video, but to craft cinematic, realistic, and highly customizable content in a fraction of the time? Enter Kling AI 2.1. This isn't just an update, it's a paradigm shift. Kling AI 2.1 Core Features Overview. Kling AI 2.1 boasts a suite of powerful features designed to empower creators. Let's break down its core functionalities. Improved accuracy and quality. First, the leap in quality is astonishing. Kling AI 2.1 is 3 times more accurate than its predecessors, delivering stunning video output up to 1080p resolution. This means crisp, clear visuals that truly impress. Faster generation speed. Time is money, and Kling AI 2.1 understands that. Imagine generating a high-quality video in just 30 seconds. This speed allows for rapid prototyping, quick iterations, and meeting tight deadlines with ease. Versatile generation options. Kling AI 2.1 offers 3 primary generation pathways to suit your creative needs. Text to video. Transform your written scripts into engaging visual stories. Image to video. Breathe life into static images, turning them into dynamic scenes. Multi-elements. Combine text, images, and other assets for complex, layered video productions. Deep dive into key features and demonstrations. Narrator. Voiceover. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty and see how these features work in action. Sound integration. A video isn't complete without sound. Kling AI 2.1 allows you to effortlessly add sound effects and background audio, enriching your narratives and setting the perfect mood. Negative prompts for precision. This is a game changer for refining your output. Negative prompts allow you to specify what you don't want in your video, significantly improving clarity, realism, and adherence to your vision. Say goodbye to unwanted artifacts. DeepSeek integration for automatic prompts. Stuck on prompt ideas? Kling AI 2.1's integration with DeepSeek as your creative assistant. Simply upload an image, and DeepSeek can automatically generate relevant prompts, sparking new ideas and streamlining your workflow. Advanced lip sync feature. One of the most impressive advancements is the lip sync tool. Upload a photo or video, add your text-to-speech narration or even your own dubbing, and watch as your chosen character realistically articulates your words. This opens up incredible possibilities for avatars, presentations, and character animations. Practical use cases and examples. So, who can benefit from Kling AI 2.1? The applications are virtually limitless. Let's explore some practical use cases. Marketing and advertising. Create compelling ad creatives, product demos, and social media campaigns in minutes, without the need for expensive videographers or actors. Example. A short, punchy ad for a fictional product. Education and training. Develop engaging e-learning modules, explainer videos, and interactive tutorials that keep learners captivated. Example. A segment of an educational video explaining a complex concept. Content creation and storytelling. From YouTube vlogs to short films, Kling AI 2.1 empowers individual creators to bring their narratives to life with professional-grade visuals. Example. A short, cinematic storytelling clip. Business and corporate communications. Generate internal training videos, corporate announcements, and professional presentations with ease, maintaining brand consistency and high production value. Example: a simulated corporate announcement video. Personal projects and hobbies. Even for personal use, Kling AI 2.1 can turn your ideas into stunning visual realities, whether it's for a family video, a passion project, or just for fun. Example: a creative, abstract video generated from an image. Kling AI 2.1 versus the competition. Why it's the best in 2025. In a rapidly evolving landscape, why are so many hailing Kling AI 2.1 as the best AI video generator in 2025? Let's put it head to head with some of the common benchmarks and see where it truly shines. Speed and efficiency. While others might take minutes or even hours for complex renders, Kling AI 2.1's 30-second generation time is unparalleled, allowing for rapid iteration and increased output. Visual fidelity and realism. The 1080p output and advanced accuracy set it apart. The videos produced by Kling AI 2.1 exhibit a level of realism and detail that often surpasses its competitors, minimizing the AI look. Feature depth, negative prompts, DeepSeek, lip sync. Many tools offer basic text to video. Kling AI 2.1 goes beyond with sophisticated features like negative prompts for precise control, DeepSeek for creative assistance, and the incredibly realistic lip sync, which are often absent or rudimentary in other platforms. User experience and intuition. Despite its advanced capabilities, Kling AI 2.1 maintains an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Continuous innovation. The rapid evolution from previous versions to 2.1 demonstrates a commitment to continuous improvement, ensuring users always have access to cutting-edge technology. The future of AI video with Kling AI 2.1. As we look ahead, Kling AI 2.1 isn't just a tool for today, it's a glimpse into the future of video creation. Imagine hyper-realistic digital avatars, even more lifelike and emotionally expressive digital characters that can deliver your message with unparalleled authenticity. Real-time video generation. The ability to generate complex scenes and narratives in real time, opening doors for live interactive content and dynamic storytelling. Seamless integration with other AI tools. A fully integrated ecosystem where AI video generation works hand in hand with AI writing, AI voiceovers, and other creative AI tools for a truly end-to-end automated workflow. Personalized video experiences. Creating unique, tailored video content for individual viewers, revolutionizing marketing, education, and entertainment. Kling AI 2.1 is laying the groundwork for these incredible possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable with artificial intelligence in the creative space. Getting started with Kling AI 2.1. Call to action. Are you ready to experience the power of Kling AI 2.1 for yourself? Getting started is simple. Visit the Kling AI website. Head over to Kling AI website URL replace with actual URL to explore their plans and features. Sign up and choose your plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs, whether you're an individual creator or a large enterprise. Step 3. Start creating. Dive into the intuitive interface. Experiment with text to video, image to video, and multi-element options. Don't forget to try out the negative prompts and DeepSeek integration. Step 4. Share your masterpiece. Once your video is generated, download it in stunning 1080p and share it with the world. We encourage you to try Kling AI 2.1 and see for yourself why it's being hailed as the future of AI video generation. So, is Kling AI 2.1 the best AI video generator in 2025? Based on its unparalleled speed, superior quality, innovative features like advanced lip sync and negative prompts, and its commitment to continuous innovation, it certainly makes a compelling case. The landscape of AI is constantly evolving, but Kling AI 2.1 has set a new benchmark for what's possible. It empowers creators to produce high-quality, professional videos faster and more efficiently than ever before. What are your thoughts on Kling AI 2.1? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI and technology. End screen with links to subscribe, other videos, and social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.